Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm upgrading on my satellite radio antenna with this new generation antenna. The tools you're going to need is just a pair of vice grips and a piece of tape. So let's get into it. First, what I'm going to do here is take a piece of tape and wrap it around the metal surface here of the antenna. Then just use a vice grips and just get a slight little bite and turn it, and then the rest of the way you can remove the antenna. The new antenna comes with several adapters, and now the new antenna is only 4 inches long, and you can see this is where you would attach the adapter to it. In order to know the right length of the adapter, you have several adapters in here. You would take the original antenna and match which adapter fits to compare to know the length for the right ones. Now this is the original antenna, and you can see the length where the thread started and to where it ended. So what you would do is find the length of this antenna and the length of the adapter and match it up. And this one here seems like that's the perfect fit, because the next one here would be actually too long, and that would cause the new antenna will not seat properly on the surface of the vehicle. So let me put this one here away. Now the first thing you will do with this adapter is to screw it into the new antenna just like that. It's finger tight, and then you just go ahead and screw it on the base of your antenna. Perfect. See, tweak nicely, just like that. Okay, now if you may ask, why do I need to replace my radio antenna? Well, you can see the length of this one versus the original length. It's like 7-8 times shorter than the original ones. And besides, this one here started rusted, corroded over the whole surface. If you look very close, you can see it started looking brownish. And sometimes when I turn my radio on, I got a little erratic receptions on there, starting getting a little noisy. So I need to upgrade. So you can see now I installed the new one. It makes the vehicle looks a lot sportier, and then it's shorter. So now I got it all installed. I can go ahead now and do an operational check to see how the radio functions, to make sure that the reception is clear, and we go from here. Okay guys, I did my check and all the range and frequency, very clear. So now I upgrade on my satellite radio antenna. It's a lot shorter, looks much sportier, and the view of it, you can take a view of it from the front in every angle. Okay guys, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again. Goodbye.